Finish shopping on Wish and need to log out? Let's learn how to do it. Hi, I'm CEO from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to log out of the Wish app. So let's get started. First, open the Wish app on your device. Tap on the menu icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you can find the settings option at the top right corner. Tap on it. Go to the account settings. Now tap on the logout option. Finally, tap on the logout option again and log out of Wish app. And this is how you can log out of Wish app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.